In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a message in Zoho Cliq. This can be particularly useful if you've sent something by mistake or need to remove a sensitive piece of information. Let's dive in and go through the process step by step, ensuring that you can manage your conversations efficiently. First, open Zoho Cliq and navigate to the chat window where the message you'd like to delete is located. As you hover over the message, you'll notice a few icons appear next to it, helping you interact with the content more directly. Focus on the kebab menu, which is represented by 3 vertical dots. This menu is the key to accessing more advanced message options, including the delete function. Once you've located and hovered over the message, click on the kebab menu to open a list of additional options. In this menu, you'll find the option to delete. Selecting this will prompt a confirmation message to pop up on your screen. This step helps prevent accidental deletions, a handy feature that adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that only the messages you truly want to delete are removed. Upon seeing the confirmation prompt, you'll be asked whether you're sure about deleting the message. If you're ready to proceed, click on the Delete button in the confirmation window. It's important to be certain at this point, as deleting a message is permanent. There's no way to recover messages that have been removed. Keep in mind that your organization may have certain settings in place that dictate a time limit for how long a message can be deleted after it is sent. This could mean that older messages may not be eligible for deletion according to these specified rules. It's a good idea to be aware of any company-specific policies regarding message retention and deletion. While deleting messages is straightforward, it's essential to use this capability thoughtfully. Misuse could lead to gaps in communication or the loss of important information. Always double-check if the action is necessary, especially in professional scenarios where accountability surfaces as a key element. Now that you know how to delete a message in Zoho Cliq, you can take control over your messaging and keep your communications neat and accurate. Remember, whether correcting a typo or removing bigger chunks of information, it's all about maintaining clarity and ensuring your interactions remain as effective as possible. Hopefully, this guide helps you feel more confident navigating and managing your messages within Zoho Cliq. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials to learn more about making the most of Zoho Cliq's features.